Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, July 23rd, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed. It was another frustrating day today. It wasn't a bad day. Actually, we basically broke even today. And I suppose I shouldn't complain about breaking even, but it still felt like we lost money today. The problem was, we had negative $6,000 in open trade equity yesterday, and I was scared to death. We had over 20 positions, negative equity, and I could not see how the market was going to rally from where it was. I was absolutely certain it was going to go down. Well, I was right. The market did go down, but amazingly, our positions improved rather dramatically in the early part of the day. I took a screenshot at 45 minutes into the market day, and that $6,000 negative had gone to positive $7,000. So that's like a $13,000 swing from negative to positive. And hey, I was thinking, hey, this is going to be a good day. But the problem was, just like we have seen the last few days, it seems like our positions deteriorate as the day goes on. And, if I had a crystal ball, I would have gotten out of everything after 45 minutes, but I didn't. I play the system. That's the only way I know to trade. But anyway, by the time we got out, we closed out negative $3,000. So, basically that's a $10,000 swing from positive $7,000 to negative $3,000. And even though we're carrying positive $3,000 in open trade going into tomorrow, that basically makes a neutral day, doesn't it? I don't feel like it's neutral. I feel like I lost $10,000. Doesn't feel good. But, these are kind of choppy, indecisive markets. Again, the Dow is bumping its head against the ceiling, and it's just makes the trading very, very tough, even though we had some good trades today. Anyway, that's my complaint for the day. By the way, the Dow did close down as I was certain that it would, but it only closed down 26. In my mind, I was seeing a big sell-off of 100 points or something, and we would have really gotten hurt in that. As it was, 26 points negative didn't do really anything to us. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and I don't know what to say about this. Yesterday we're on the ceiling, as you can see here, and that's what scared me. You get 20-some positions, and this market just can't go up from here, and it didn't go up. It pulled back some, but fortunately it didn't pull back very much. It's just kind of going sideways. And again, you've heard me say it again, I wish I would take off one direction or the other, although I don't think it's going to take off to the top side from here, but you never know. But I honestly think most likely this thing's going to sell off again, maybe bounce off this lower line again, and then take a run at that top. But so we got to get through that top. That's a tough ceiling for us. Anyway, we did have some good trades today. I don't want to make it sound like it's all complaints, and if we didn't have good trades, we would have done much worse than we did. This is a new market for us. It's EMES. That's an energy stock, and we had bought this yesterday, and we'd gotten into it, and nothing much happened yesterday, but it gapped up and really made a run here, and we are holding close to $2,000 in open trade in EMES going into tomorrow, so that's a very nice one. And I'll show you another good one we had. This is in ISIS Pharmaceuticals, like many pharmaceutical stocks, this ISIS is quite volatile, and we had jumped into this right after 30 minutes yesterday, and then just like the energy stock, it kind of went flat after we got in, but gapped up strong today and really held up and closing pretty darn close to the highs. Anyway, we got over $3,000 there in ISIS, so that's really looking good. So, you know, we had a frustrating neutral day today. Let's hope this market breaks out and does something tomorrow. Anyway, that's the way it is. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.